Ulrich, nagmamadali. Nigay. Mabulak and 1. Basket count and 1 for Mabulak. Basket for 3-point play by Kael Mabulak. Over si Titus. Titus, dire-derecho. Bounce pass. Kael Mabulak. Up and under. Kael Mabulak. Pass to Abelion. Pass to Yao. Abelion blocked by Mabulak. Pass to Buhay. Pass number 5, Celis, miss. Kael and 1. Basket count and 1 for Kael. What an extra pass. Oh, that's LSQC. Here comes Kael Mabulak all the way. Basket is good. Steal, number 7. Titus, bounce pass. Kael Mabulak on the putback. Cruz. Cross pass. Steal by Kael. Kael atake. High pick-up all the way. Basket na naman for Kael. Pass to Titus. Bounce pass to Kael Mabulak. Pass to Aki. To Kael. 2 shots for Kael Mabulak. Shot is good. Official score 60-31. According po sa ating official.